I spend a lot of time working out in the woods, so I decided to get a pair of work pants to wear outside as well as hold all of my essentials. And these tactical pants come shipped to your door, ready to protect your legs as well. Inside the bag, you can find your pants. So I didn't waste any time and threw them on so I can test them. It fit me well and was true to my size. The elastic waistband held them in place. And the next thing I noticed was the crazy amount of pockets. There's a total of 9 multifunctional pockets, and there's literally pockets inside of pockets. So I grabbed my gear and loaded them down. I hooked my pocket knife and fire starter to the handy D-ring. I put my rangefinder in the bigger pocket, a flashlight in my inner pocket, and then my phone in the main pocket. On the other side, I put my wallet in the zipper pocket so I won't lose it. And then I attached a bigger blade to my belt. I fit all this in my pants and still had multiple empty pockets for miscellaneous items. The weight of everything is distributed well and doesn't feel bulky. I'm able to move freely and they don't interfere with my task at hand. I wore them around for the day and was really impressed. The knees are extra durable and I was able to kneel in any environment without worry of scuffing my knees. Then I went for a hike, and it was a really hot day, so I didn't really want to be wearing pants. But I was surprised to see that these pants are breathable, and the fabric felt good on my legs. And even though they're lightweight, they're extremely durable. I didn't think twice about pushing through the thick brush. No worries of thorns here. But what I did notice is the water from the greenery bubbled up on my pants. It didn't absorb it. This is because the pants are coated with a water-resistant material. After my hike, I washed my pants off with the hose, and my legs stayed dry. Too cool. I also saw these pants are scratch-resistant, so I grabbed my knife and gave it a test. I ran it across my knee, tip first, several times, and even with all that, there was no noticeable damage. If you got really close to it, you could see some microscopic lines from the knife, but no cuts or tears. Hopefully, these will help protect my legs from any future accidents. So all in all, I'm really impressed. I almost can't believe how durable, yet lightweight they are. Too cool. So if you're looking for some tactical pants for work, or for your outdoor activities, these pants might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go hang out in the woods some more. See ya.